Hi there. You might have noticed that I'm not in the sunny Florida right now. Instead, I'm back home in Sweden. It's around freezing, and the snow is about a foot deep. So you might wonder why I'm here, and it's because I'm looking for the white-throated dipper. So join me. Let's go. I actually spotted one of the dippers here. I don't know if you can see him, but it's just on the fallen tree in the stream. It's time to gear up and try to get some close-ups. So he took off quite quickly. Sometimes the dippers are skittish, so well, it's just up to me to walk around and see if I can see him anywhere else. Let's go. When I'm walking close to the river like this, and there's snow along the edges, you better be careful because you never know where the water has gone under the snow. Now, I just stepped into an area where there was thin ice, and well, this time I was lucky. I just only got water to my knees, so but next time I'll be more careful. So far it hasn't been that much dipper activity. Skittish birds, and I don't know where they are today. Maybe it's too much water, I don't know. So I'm gonna look up for another place, take a walk about to see what I'll find. So I just sat down to relax a little bit, and then he came. Now it's time for me to chase up to him. So that wraps up this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you next time. Bye.